Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI POCO X4 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget, and now just slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Click here once, and now you can see here all the available widgets that you can add to your device screen. For example, you can add the clock widget. Here we got three different types of these clocks. For example, we can go with a classic one. Just hold for a while and drag this widget, for example, here. If you want, you can move this widget here on the screen or just between the screens, or also you can create a new screen with the widget. And by the same way, we can add here one more widget, for example the calendar schedule. Click once here and you will add by this way the widget here. If you want, sure, you can change the size of the widget, you can make it smaller or bigger by this way. And just to remove the widget, hold for a while and drag it here on the right upper corner to remove icon by this way. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.